Tilray stock just exploded, up 42% in a single day, and the ride's not over yet. In this video, we'll break down what's really driving TLRY's stunning moves, whether the rally can sustain, and if it has the potential to become a multi-bagger. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll tell you exactly what to watch next. Tilray's Wild Ride Recap. Let's recap the fireworks. On Monday, Tilray jumped nearly 42% to around 92 cents on massive volume, more than 250 million shares traded, far higher than normal. The momentum carried into Tuesday with another 3% gain, then by Wednesday it surged another 31%, touching $1.25 with almost 190 million shares traded. By Friday, though, we saw a pullback of about 13%, closing near $103 as profit-taking kicked in. In just a few days, this tiny cannabis penny stock delivered a roller coaster ride, up, and then a sharp dip again. So what lit the fire? The big catalyst came from Washington. There's a strong push to reclassify marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 under U.S. federal law, a decision that could come in just weeks. If this happens, it would be a game changer. It would finally allow banking channels to open for cannabis companies. It would eliminate the harsh 280E tax rule, meaning huge profit boosts. And it could open the door to institutional investment and bigger M&A deals. For cannabis stocks like Tilray, this news was pure rocket fuel. Who is Tilray? Quick refresher. Tilray Brands is a Canadian-American pharmaceutical, cannabis, and consumer packaged goods company. They operate in cannabis, wellness, and beverages across the U.S., Canada, Europe, and Latin America. And here's something many don't know. Tilray also owns several craft beer brands acquired from Anheuser-Busch, plus hemp-based beverage products. So while cannabis remains core, Tilray is diversifying heavily into beverages and wellness products. Now, beyond the hype, Tilray has been quietly reshaping its fundamentals. Earlier this year, they filed for a reverse stock split, up to 20-for-1. This keeps them compliant with NASDAQ listing rules and makes the stock more attractive to institutions. Financially, Tilray holds nearly $250 million in cash and has already reduced debt by more than $70 million this year. Strong moves for a company in a volatile sector. On top of that, they've been expanding their THC beverage line, already available in 10 U.S. states. Even though cannabis revenues dipped, gross margins actually improved to around 41%, their best level in 2 years. That's a sign of smarter cost management and product focus. So could Tilray be a multi-bagger? So here's the big question. Can Tilray really become a multi-bagger? The catalysts are undeniable. A potential regulatory breakthrough in the U.S., rising margins in beverages and alternative products, a stronger balance sheet with debt reduction, and the reverse split, which could stabilize the stock chart and attract big players. But there are risks. The reclassification isn't guaranteed. It could be delayed or even blocked. These rallies often fade quickly with big volatility. Analyst sentiment remains cautious, with many price targets still below current trading levels. And yes, the reverse split could hurt short-term holders through dilution. So while Tilray has a shot at being a multi-bagger, it's a high-risk, high-volatility bet. If you're trading short-term momentum, tight stop losses are a must. Ride the wave, but don't get caught in the crash. If you're a swing investor, patience is key. Wait for confirmed regulatory progress before doubling down. Watch Tilray's earnings reports closely, especially margins and cash flow. And keep an eye on the reverse split vote. That decision could make or break the stock's next move. Most importantly, diversify. Don't park all your money in one hype-driven stock like Tilray, no matter how exciting it looks. And now, I want to hear from you. Do you think marijuana will actually get reclassified soon, or is this rally just smoke and mirrors? Would you trade TLRY on momentum or hold long-term for the legalization story? Drop your answers in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you understand Tilray's wild ride, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives on fast-moving stocks. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. Next week, I'll be covering another cannabis stock riding the same legalization buzz, so stay tuned.